you okay? Something's happening here.
What you just watched was a full short film, created from a single prompt. No video editor, no manual work. And here's the crazy part. It's over 60 seconds long. Until now, Seedance 2 stopped you at 15 seconds on every platform. That wall just came down. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this yourself, even if you've never made an AI video before. I tested every platform that offers Seedance 2, all of them, capped at 15 seconds. You'd have to generate clip after clip, stitch them manually, and pray the characters looked the same from one scene to the next. It was a mess. Then Seedance AI launched Agent V2, powered by Seedance 2, and it changed everything. One prompt, one click, full minute-long videos, automatically planned, generated, and merged. Let me walk you through exactly how it works. Step 1. Open Seedance AI and launch Agent V2. Click the link in the description and log into Seedance AI. Once you're in, click on Agent V2. You'll see it's powered by Seedance 2. This is your starting point, one text box where you type your video idea. Simple enough, but this is also where most people immediately go wrong. Step 2. Write a strong prompt. This is everything. Here's the mistake almost everyone makes. They type something like, create a 60-second alien invasion video with 4 clips. Then they get weak results and blame the AI. The AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Think of yourself as the director. The AI is your production crew. A real director doesn't just say, make it look cool. They describe every detail. Here's the exact prompt I used for the short film you watch in the intro. I started with a master instruction, the big picture. Create a viscerally immersive 60-second alien invasion short film with 4 15-second acts, each constructed with precisely choreographed scenic beats. Every act must open with a high-impact hook optimized for maximum tension and curiosity in the first 3 seconds. I also referenced 2 films, War of the Worlds and Arrival, so the AI understood the genre, tone, and visual style I was going for. Then scene by scene I described the environment, meaning where is this happening, the characters, meaning who is in the shot, the dialogue, meaning what are they saying, the cinematography, meaning the camera angle, movement, and framing, and the sound design, meaning the ambient noise, music, mood, and effects. I also added production parameters like primary and secondary genre, visual style, lighting, tone, mood, and scene continuity rules. I know other creators skip this part and jump straight to the results. Don't. The prompt is where the real work happens, and I've dropped the full prompt in the description with a guide so you can engineer your own. Step 3. Submit and let it work. Copy your full prompt, paste it into Agent V2, and hit submit. If your video centers on a specific character, you can even upload a reference image right there. After that, your job is done. Sit back, grab a coffee. Here is what the AI does automatically while you wait. Step 4. It builds a video timeline. The agent does not just start generating randomly. First, it drafts a structured timeline showing how many scenes there will be, how long each one runs, and the total video duration. You can see the full plan before a single image is created. Step 5. It creates character sheets for consistency. This is the part that used to be a nightmare. The agent generates a character sheet for every major character, front view, side view, and back view, before anything else. This locks in how each character looks so they stay consistent across every single scene. No more characters changing faces halfway through your video. Step 6. It generates all the scenes in order. With the characters locked, it now generates every environment and scene sequentially, maintaining the same visual style throughout. No random shifts in color, grade, or art style. Everything flows. Step 7. It animates every scene. Here is where Seedance 2 takes over. Each image gets converted into a fully animated clip with dynamic camera movement, ambient sound, and synced dialogue. Each scene connects smoothly into the next. Step 8. It merges everything into a final video. The agent does not stop at animation. It merges all the clips into one complete, ready-to-publish video. I have shared this entire project below so that you can revisit the entire workflow. You get a download link for the final merged video, plus a director's notes breakdown. Here is the result.
Are you okay? Something's happening here.
The result has multiple camera angles, consistent characters, matched sound effects, perfect dialogue, and full scene continuity, all from one prompt. If you've been frustrated by the 15-second wall, click the link in the description and try Agent V2 inside SGen AI right now. And if this workflow saved you hours, hit like, share it with one person who makes AI videos, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what I'm dropping next. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.